tumbled leather.
Everybody, General 315 back again, another sneaker review video for y'all. And today we got the Jordan 1 OG High Palomino joints. These are basically the mocha bread style colorway joints. So I really wanted to get this one to show you guys. I wanted to get it in hand just so I could see it myself. I'm actually surprised with the leather quality. The leather quality is definitely good. It's just like the shadows, so that's great. It's just that the suede or the nubuck that's on here, I thought it was gonna be a little bit more brown, like a more of a coffee brown kind of thing, but they made it more like the mocha browns that's on the mochas that came out last year. I think it was like the mocha in the back with the black toe. So they made these just like those in terms of the suede quality or the nubuck quality that's on the shoe. Other than that, I've been saying for years that they needed to drop a release like this, just so they could do this with brown. I think it's so dope. Really, really clean. The only thing is this kind of looks grayish in a way. On camera, it might look a little bit more gray. In person, it looks more of like that ashy mocha brown, which we love. So before I get started breaking down the shoe, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Thumbs up the video, share the video with your family and friends. All those good things that everyone else says in their videos, please do that here. It really helps the channel grow. Follow me on Instagram for all the latest and greatest updates. The Reels page is popping. Go ahead and check it out. It's a lot of shoes up there. And last but not least, go ahead and follow us on the Discord. The Discord link is in the description if you want to figure out where I get my kicks, if you want to talk to other people that get kicks as well. We trade shoes between each other. We buy shoes from each other. It's a really good community, so go ahead and check us out in Discord. The link is in the description, so go ahead and check that out there. Jordan 1 OG High Palomino joints. I like these. They look real vintage. I'm not going to spend too much time on the shoe because it's not really a lot going on with it in terms of differences. The only thing is it's brown, and then you have a little bit of this yellow color on the tongue right here. Other than that, I mean, this one didn't come with any extra laces or anything like that. I got these from my friends, and they went ahead and sent these over so I can get a detailed look at these joints. It was a gift. They sent it to me, and I said, cool, I can actually now review this shoe and show people what we're gonna get. So shout out to them. They did a really good job with that. As far as things on the shoe, I think when the shoe really does drop, the browns are gonna definitely be an issue. I think that everybody's gonna have inconsistencies with their browns, and that goes for the upper, which has the suede here, or the nubuck here, the swoosh right there, and the toe box. I think all of those browns will vary between shoes. I'm not sure if Jordan Brand's quality control is gonna catch up with whatever we got going on with all of these browns, but we shall see. We definitely shall see. Another part of the shoe that I think is gonna be interesting and be debated is the outsole. Now the outsole is definitely brown as well, but down here in the light, it doesn't really, this isn't natural light, so it's not really helping right now. But when you guys see outside, you guys can see that this brown and this brown is a little different. I think that's gonna be up for debate. We will see. We had that issue with various other different shoes where the outsoles just had a slightly different color to it. But overall, leather quality is good. You know, here's some leather quality right here on the mid panel. Very, very nice. The nubuck is a little transitional. It's a little transitional, but nothing crazy. I think there might be a lot of transition when these come out. Like, these are gonna have a lot more transition. I just don't really see a lot right here. In terms of the toe box height, very, very nice. I like that. Very good quality, very nice built shoe. Here is the Wings logo right here, which looks good as well. I love it. I love the shoe. I love everything about it. It's definitely really, really nice. wanted to make sure that I brought this to y'all so y'all can see it. I know people gonna be in the comments like, oh, how you get them? Go to the Discord. That's how we got them. You see what I'm saying? Like, we just trying to make sure that we show y'all all these things, all these differences up close, all that. I didn't see any marks on the shoe, so it was definitely a nicely built shoe. And I think that this is gonna be one of those drops that everybody's gonna want. I mean, it just is. I don't know what else to say about the shoe besides it's really, really clean. It's very, very vintage. I feel like you can wear this with a lot of different stuff, especially because it's earth tones. Here's a look at that tongue right there. So that's pretty nice. You got the black laces going up. There were no extra laces with the shoe. So if I had to rate this shoe on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm gonna give this shoe a solid 9.5 in terms of the colorway. I love the colorway. I might even give it a 10. I just like brown. I like the bread style colorway as well. And look at this leather quality. I mean, geez, look at that leather. The leather's really, really nice. So, you know, we really got a nicely built shoe here. So I'll give it probably a 10 for colorway. In terms of construction and materials, well, you know, we got to see what the retail shows. We got to do a comparison and all that. So for right now, I'll give it a solid 8 because I really don't know what's going on with it. And I do think it looks nice, all right? So if you guys have any other questions or concerns, hit us up in the Discord. It's a lot of people up in there that will answer questions, including myself. I just wanted to bring this one to y'all so y'all can see it. Until the next time, y'all stay humble, y'all stay blessed. Peace.